So today I'm going to show you how to add an adapter and take it off if you don't need it. So you should have your eye deco, your adapter, and your dental floss. About a 6-inch piece works just right. So first you're going to take the silicone right out of the back of the deco, and then you're going to take your adapter and put it right on top. It should line up perfectly so you can see right through it. And then you're going to take your dental floss. This one's a little curly. You're going to stick it right through the center. And then it should be all the way through. You're going to put the silicone piece right on the dental floss. And then while holding the side on the other side of your deco, so it doesn't go all the way through, you're going to put this piece of the dental floss right back through there. And then grab the other side. So you have both ends of the dental floss in one hand. And then you're going to take this and you're going to pull the silicone so it's about halfway through. It should be sticking out both sides. And then you take the dental floss out. And that is how you add an adapter. Now to remove it, once it's on there, if you don't need it, you can put your finger right through there, your nail, and just pull it right off. And then you don't have it on there anymore.